All right, guys, so this is PEMDAS. We have talked about it a little bit. You should have learned a little bit about it in 4th grade. So what this is it's called order of operations. So you are going to, this is how you actually solve an expression when it has more than one operation in it. So a way to remember the order is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I've remembered that since I was in 4th grade, and it just kind of always stuck with me. So if you can remember that order, then you're going to be able to solve the expression the right way. So next to please, I put parentheses because they both start with P. Excuse means exponents. So then second, you would do your exponents. Then you would solve multiplication and division. So my dear, my standing for multiplication, D standing for division. And then Aunt Sally. Notice how multiplication and division are together and addition and subtraction are together. That's because whichever one comes first in the equation out of those two is the one you're going to do first. So look at this expression. 6 plus 3 times 2 divided by 2. So first, I'm going to look, do I have any parentheses? Yes, so I am going to solve 3 times 2 first, which gives me 6. As soon as I solve that, it's going to get rid of those parentheses. So now I'm just going to bring down the rest of the equation. So now I have 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Well, I did the parentheses. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have any multiplication? No. Do I have any division? Yes. So I'm going to now divide 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Good. And now I'm done with this part of the expression. So I'm going to bring this stuff down. So now I have 6 plus 3. And now I'm just going to solve it like normal because I don't have any other number or any other operations. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So the value of this expression, 6 plus 3 times 2 divided by 2 equals 9.